Yes, and welcome again to another video. So here I have the 8 all-day 8-pack from Freewell for the Pocket 3 from DJI. Let's open the box. There's a piece of cloth in here, some plastic to remove. Wow. This is a nice soft padding, and this is what the box looks like. And it appears the box is magnetic. So let's see how they will go on. So this is the way you put them on. Click, and that's it. And it appears to be really well attached. Thank you for watching. If I will have anything in the future on this, of course I will upload it and I will give you my findings. So I'm relatively new to videographing, but anyway, thanks for watching and wish you a great day. Bye.